Sponge music. Sponge music. And when you turn bad man.
A few moments later.
True. Alkaline must start vice back for you now and everything good now and rare. Remember see a Mavado make you know Alkaline.
2,000 years later.
Production. Who make you know Alkaline? Alkaline if you know say he's a two-face. You know how much time you call me and tell me say you got lick Alkaline in I'm face? And under me alone you call.
May I represent for one Media Fox. Media Fox. How the latest news them lock.
Yeah. Sponge music. Sponge music. And when you turn bad man. And when you turn bad man, Sponge. Sponge, let me tell you this. You don't look like you're that far from that a blood clot car. When me not understand, out of all of the producer them and out of everybody else, you come out in a chattings. I try this gully side and this Mavado. You Sponge. You Sponge of all person. You Sponge. Make me drag your memory. Showing you some pussy. And all Alkaline. Where you're there on right now. So a bandwagon is something you deal with. Or whatever. You have to watch you too. Because you say, Uno will do anything for hype. Uno will do anything for hype. Remember me tell you that. Jog your memory now. You remember, what 3 years ago, couple years ago? About 3 years ago, I driving on my vehicle. And you call me. Them time I go up at JA, up at Nato. And you call me. And you say, yo, how long you send singer you rhythm them time there? You'd have, Not Perfect. Singer never voice the song yet name, Not Perfect. You never record the song yet, but you send the rhythm go give him. Yo, talk to the G for me no dog. Tell him if you just voice the song for me no dog. Rare. Me say, yo, stop worry yourself, man. By them time them reach on a JA yard now. I say, stop worry yourself, man. Gully gotta go voice for you, man. All what you for do, just voice some youth run singer. See, you have a new youth and I camp name J.A. Vice J.A. Yo, me don't know name J.A. dog. Me not voice yo, only man me I go voice a you dog. Me say, yo, remember say, you record me already on the first rhythm. Where Beanie Man have the song pan him I say, not that guy or something like that or whatever you rate it. And you give me a video in which me grateful because that was the first rhythm. So me I tell you say no, Vice the youth them round singer. Make singers say yeah, Vice the youth them. Vice J.A. You say you don't know nobody named J.A. Me say, oh, you live in Florida. Oh, long you don't know who named J.A. Me say, J.A. you know Sponge? Him say, no, him not know Sponge. Me say, alright, at the youth you have to Vice him. I'm going to go and give J.A. the phone. Zane, you remember that? You remember how you cuss Alkaline and say Alkaline a pussy and Alkaline can't come a blood clad Atlanta? You remember? And anyway, you say Alkaline, you going to lick him in your face because him never Vice pan the rhythm yet. You remember? Until Alkaline Vice pan the rhythm now. Rhythm a going good now. Rare, singer no Vice yet. Singer never Vice yet. Till little bit after that, singer record pan the rhythm. Zane, singer record pan the rhythm. You call me again and you say, Alkaline a pray you. So you turn the rhythm in a juggling. You remember that? And the song where him record for you when him bass for every bass. Dan for every Dan. A year song. And because you turn the rhythm in a juggling, him go so and go make a man build a rhythm under that and Vice back the song. And you say it's the biggest pussy that you ever know in your life. Sponge, you can't tell me if I lie, me I tell you no. The amount of lick you say you gotta lick Alkaline in I'm face, you diss all the man sister. You diss all the man sister. Because I want song. And now, look on you. True, Alkaline must start Vice back for you now and everything good now and rare. Remember, say, a Mavado make you know Alkaline. Try remember that. Remember, say, oh, you know Alkaline, he was a security at the show right over there in Lauder Hill College. Lauder Hill, right up at Lauder Hill College up there, so. Right there, so. What the show did keep with Alkaline and Mavado about 6 years ago. You remember that? And you was security at the show. Them time they are forward from over kissing me. Them time they are kissing me did there. Because remember, say, me know you know, you're not no bad man. No come talk about you're not this or that, so you want hype up. Make Alkaline them feel like you're somebody. You're not nobody. Remember, you live over Atlanta, your girl be eating at your house. Stop going like say you're a bad man. You don't even want to see stop it, bro. You know, if you stop make the internet turn on in an idiot. You want producer where try make your way in the business, you gonna take up phone, put in your face, and come put up badness about this or that. Leave Mavado and Cartel alone. Mavado and Cartel was before everything was Gwan. So I don't know if the man them do them thing and I make beer money off of them career where that was about 20 odd years ago. Leave the man them alone. Oh, you reach in it. That's how you come bad up Gully side. Gully side where boss you. I will put you up on the road as producer. You dirtiest bad-minded sponge. I come talk about bad man and I come bring badness to Gully side. You hypocrite. You one dirty hypocrite. Oi, listen to me. You see, anytime when I come here to chat on the fuckery and keep up on the fuckery, remember say Flexx in the complex is always here. Zin, always remember that. Remember say, you know, me not run come in a Gully side from now, you know. Try know that, you know, I ban me. Ban in a Gully side, you know. You know if you know that, you know. You know if you know say I was one of the founders, them. Not because I no come on internet, come chatty and ray. I was there from the very first beginning. No for you know we are, is just some dick riders. That's why I'm not trust, you know. I don't notice me not deal with, you know. I'm not run back on for vice pan on the rhythm. Me keep my own way because you know why? I'm not a hypocrite. And I wanna come around the thing and make artists in a problem. I make artists no good. I wanna do them thing there. You spongy is a dirty two-faced crab. Snake. Oh, it reached to you. Pick up your phone. For this Mavado or for this Gully side. Who make you know about production? Who make you know Alkaline? Alkaline, if you know say he's a two-face. You know how much time you call me and tell me say you got lick Alkaline in I'm face? And I know me alone you call. I just too fast. I just too DJ fast them and the youth them in a mix up and ray. Enough time you call the youth and want to mix up the youth and the man have to run you off him phone. Cause a sound steer. Look by you. The amount of time you say you got lick Alkaline in I'm face and him can't come to Atlanta and him can't do this and that and bro, you have to stop it, my youth. You full of too much hypocrisy. You too bad mind and you come talk about badness when you woman over Atlanta beat you. I know this boy, you know say I true me attack. When me come to talk the truth, you know, me no forward yourself in some illusion thing like you know. Cause you have to do that because you want one song from Alkaline. Me nah look nothing and me no want nothing. You have to do that because you want a song from Alkaline. But Alkaline them and Vendetta them for know say the same way like where you do Gully God. The same way you will do him. Cause you know Alkaline from nowhere. A Gully God you there on and no Alkaline like a hypocrite boy. I know you come pick side, I come talk about you want bring. You know say you can't bring the badness to no man in a Gully side or no weapon Gully side. You know that in your heart and you still a push it, bro. My youth not too bad mind. That's why I stay far. I'm glad I stay cause you are going now. I'm bad too, you know. But I no push it, you know. You can't see me and lick me in my face, you know. That me I try to tell you, you know. You are one wicked hypocrite boy. I come talk about badness at any time, ready at any this and any that. Leave Mavado and Bumbleclad Cartel alone. I want to know. When you fight Gully side war, boy, yeah? Where did they when Gully side a fight war? Eh? Where did they when we and chase cross them and blood clad, the whole I dog them and the whole we run up and down and DJ frost them and everybody? Eh? I run up and down all boat and they all boat. Eh? How you did there? Which party did there? Eh? Now, all of a sudden now, Mavado bring you a road now. You're there on Gully side. All because of Mavado. Why you're there in the business and there on music and get bad mind and say, alright, you want the music and you want to producer. Beg your way through. Now through your feel say you reach. You know sit down and do a little promotion, producing and ray you want to come take a phone, put in your face and come go on like a badness you deal with. My youth go sit down. I want to hear you no bad man boy. I want to hear remember say you man talk say she run things, it's not you. You man have beat you up over so regular we hear them thing they and laugh. And they say nothing and now you come to you can't bad up nobody. First of all you have to bad up your house. Before you come on road and feel like you can bad up people. But said this and that and I make your bag in farming chat and all call all some real dog name. Where then I struggling with from day one. You call up some real dog name like you feel like say them dog they are gonna take your side where you don't know the man them from nowhere. Around Gully side you come know the man them. You go like you know people. You don't know nobody. You don't know nobody man youth. You understand me I say I'm big up LV. Cause LV are the real Dan. And that me I try to tell you, I'll know me in a year Alkaline say, yo, big up LV yet. I'll know me in a year you produce a song where LV I get big up yet and LV are the real G. We are spend the whole of the money. I want to hear my youth, you want little crutches, no come boy, you come talk boy, you come bad up. Nobody boy, cause you no bad man. Say nobody. You want little hypocrite. I want to hear sponge, you want little hypocrite boy. I come talk about this a ray. My youth, the little production are easy yourself. Cause you want hypocrite. Cause you don't like Alkaline either. You only like what Alkaline can do for you. You want hypocrite. You think I want to hear, you know say you don't lie me I tell to. Want to you? How much time you threaten boy you go box Alkaline and I'm face Alkaline can't come a blood clad Atlanta. Anyway you see me I go tear off him face and this and that and ray. Me have to say no man allow the artist alone. You can't do the artist not brother. No one link bro. You understand what I say? Like you feel like say if when you say you did I go do that like me, that go take your side or nobody know. That's why you have to humble yourself, my youth. Uno come around artists and cause artists in a mischief. Cause here now, uno carry uno carry go bring come and talk or some things whenever go so, some things whenever say. Uno do them thing the youth. Uno do them thing they count as some hypocrite. You understand what I say? You know where you do a fuckery, my youth. You know where you do a fuckery. Don't try go up against gully side, you know. Cause no go through no war boy in the music, you know. No go through no war boy in the music, you know. That me I try telling you, you know. You see what I say? Love Mavado and Cartel make them do what them want to do. I want to, you think Cartel can tell Gully God what to do. You know, see how Gully God do him thing. I want to know go on like say, like my youth no go away. Bumbo clot. I want to a sponge. That's why your name sponge because you absorb up everything. Your name fit you. Your name fit you. And that me I try to tell you, you want like a wicked boy. You want like a hypocrite. You want hypocrite. Boy, you're a bad man and for step. Why? You can't make no step. You're free like puss to blood clot. You can't make no step. I want to you, I don't know who a trick you, my youth. Leave music alone, my youth. Nobody come in a music, come stir up music, my youth. If you produce a song, them and do a little production, you do a little production, them, and you do what you do. But if you come go on like you want. Even if you are tech side, my youth, tech side in your house, don't come out, come go on like you want, come style Gully God and style Gully side. When a bumbo clot Gully side, make you and bill you. That's the no say you can come turn producer. A Gully side, you come round and know Alkaline. A Gully side, you come round and know everything about music. A Gully side, you come round and know everything pussy. You go on like a lie, me I tell. Gully side, you come round and know everything. Frost them, you there run and see Frost them and do them production and do them thing and ray. The amount of time you used to call Frost every day. How if you do this? How if you do that? Yo, more do this. Me tired of you up on my phone sometime. Till me realize say I'm a hypocrite. Cause all I wanna do is sit down and chat people. You think me a idiot, my youth? My youth enough for go my youth and love Gully side alone, my youth. I want to know. You come chat off your mouth like you're a bad man and I come bring badness. If you just come and talk, it wouldn't be nothing. Any man can talk, but when you come bring badness and I go like you want to style the thing, when you are the biggest hypocrite, and you talk say you go lick Alkaline in I'm face the most. To your Alkaline turn friend now and ray tete, you come go like you want to show. You know, that is not loyalty. That is a dick sucker move. You understand me? I say boy like you with fuck batty in a real life. That with only little young producer, only little young artist, who don't understand themselves. You understand? You just come run up in something, you don't know how to be mutual and know say, yo, be a program on the tech. I want to sponge, you can't this no man in a Gully side. Don't be yourself, my youth. You want hypocrite, brother. I mean, stop saying it, my youth. You want hypocrite. You want hypocrite youth. You come go on like you want come this Gully side and I chat off your mouth about this and about that. I want you. You know, say I don't lie, me I tell. I don't know me alone you call. I just true. We are the type of youth them when in the mix up and rare and we know enough things and go on like we don't know. But when you do this now, me have to come show you up. Cause me have to come show you up there. Cause you want pussy. Me don't know how you even get involved in this or even try for this Mavado. If you want to prove loyalty to Alkaline, cause Alkaline a record for you. Oh, don't this Mavado or this Gully side. Oh, that even drop in. When we used to call and say you want to lick Alkaline in I'm face. And you can't come to Atlanta anytime you see me Atlanta, you go bossy med. My youth are not too hypocritical and wicked. Now you come different Alkaline like say yo, ray. No disrespect to Alkaline, because Alkaline are good artists. You understand me? I say just them little pussy wall where they around the artists them. Go on like them want mix up thing and make it look like say this and that and ray. You understand me? I say I want to know no member say when Alkaline, when the whole world did about out Alkaline and nobody never want to see him. Mavado never take no side and Gully God say you want Frost bring him in at the camp. And him dead and they and build back. And now una go like you want put up the youth them against one another and make it look like say who bigger than who. I want to know say Alkaline can't not bigger than Mavado. But una want come put some little dirty narrative and bring up could do some little dirty corruption and chat some little dirty things my youth. Una too wicked and too corrupt. Una for go. I want to you. Una for go my youth. That me I try to tell you that. That's why I like how I stay, you know. I always say it, you know. I like how I stay, you know. I like how I stay. And that me I try to tell you, you can't chat off on no more. But when it comes to the reality, I have the reality, yes, of it. Anytime when a blood clot slip up and start chatting no fuckery, always remember say Flexx in the complex is there and him know everything that was happening from day one. Remember me don't get my fair share, you know. Remember when me and Mavado never did good, you know. The whole I want to rejoice, you know. None as bad as things might be me and boom might have a little thing them now and then and rare cause means I you not take fuckery but a boom alone you say oh you Gully God for good back again and rare boom alone. That's why me have to rate him and respect him at all times. You understand what me I say? Although I'm missing him a road and everything and rare and we can't take tea more time, but I'm a brother that I respect him and I love him. When me and sing I did in our ads I never go that boom alone. The rest I wanna did a rejoice. Una never want to see me and sing a good back again because I know say yo, him know the word of the thing them and him can talk the truth about everything I know. Everything. So when you come now and I come chat your fuckery, remember say me there. Oh. Remember say, me dey here. Remember say, I'm me you used to ball too. Only reason why you never this singer, I just them time they are just true. You want the strength and your ball. Yo, tell singer for voice man rhythm for me the dog. Tell me say yo, just vice the youth them round me, man. Vice JA, vice some youth round me. I saw you know JA. I saw you and JA start link. So you know JA. Because of me. You understand me? I say so nobody come boy, you come go and like say you do nothing great and you not do nothing. You're just a hypocrite and I come try prove to Alkaline and Vendetta camp. So you want two song, you want produce song. Remember say hey, cool, hey, listen to me now, man. Hey, stop your fuckery. You're a sponge. Stop your fuckery. That me I try to tell you. Stop your fuckery. Cause me know and you know say you're not bad. Remember what happened to you the last time. You don't want it to happen to you again. So oh, you're there on internet. I push off badness thing. Eh? Oh, you're there on internet to bring off badness. What happened to you again, me positively sure say you don't want it happen to you. What happened to you already, me positively sure say you don't want it to happen to you again. So stop it, bro. Stop going like say you're bad because you don't bad. You're just pushing off a face to prove to Alkaline and Vendetta them something that you are not, because he's the same man who lick Alkaline in his face. He's the same man who say him not rate. He's the same man who say I'm a batty man and who say a gully side. You say a gully me say no boy to gully in anything except to gully in I want you. Them boy they a little boy and them boy they a little pitney man, them not understand themselves. You remember them? Do you remember them words that coming out of your mouth? You're not gonna remember now. You're not gonna remember now. Cause you want hypocrite. And me a show you up. Me a show you up. You want hypocrite. You want hypocrite about this and that and ray and what text side and what follow back who you a follow back? Who you a follow back? And if you stop it and go, that me I try telling you. Spongy is the biggest hypocrite two-faced snake me ever know in my life. That me I try tell you. You understand me I say? Understand yourself, my youth. And love gully side. Pick your side and go on by your side, brother. But don't go on like you want to show no word over yasso. Because I over yasso know the whole heap of something them. And over yasso you come chat you fuck with them. You understand? So you want ratings over yasso. And you want over yasso feel like say yo, a yasso the badness there. But now you're there over there so. You carry the badness over there so. And make it feel, people want to feel like say over there so the badness there. When no, because he is not bad. He is a hypocrite. So no badness not there over there so. So stop shut off your mouth, my youth. Stop shut off your mouth. And me know and you know say you're not bad. And me know and you know and other people know say mama beat you up in a house over Atlanta. You understand me I say? And you man can't. No man know them woman beat them at them yard, you know. Can't come on road come bad me up. That have to one. That have to one. Cause you can't come feel like you want to get no hyper for me to make your people them feel like say you're bad. But yet still when you go home, them are the bad people. You understand me I say? So dog, me just a try make you know say yo. No, I'm not bad, me an artist, me G. Me an artist. So could sponge follower them. Me an artist. Me not bad, me never tell nobody say me bad, me an artist. So, me just say that, fi say this. Don't come round here, come bad up on this gully side, brother. Don't do it, brother. Cause you know say you're not bad, me G. So nobody come boy, you come this gully side. You understand me I say? Right, that's the thing there. Yeah. General Romero go suck